How to easily switch your Instagram account to personal account. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then in here we'll have to navigate to my account. To do that, we'll have to tap on this profile icon. So here on my account, as you can see, I have this professional dashboard. It indicates that my account is on professional mode. So to turn it back to personal account, what I need to do is to tap on these three lines, and then under settings, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this creator tools and controls. And then under creator, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this switch account type option. And then after that, you will be given two choices, switch to business account and then switch to personal account. What we need to do is to tap on the switch to personal account option, and then a pop-up menu will show you the same option. Simply tap on this one, and then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then once we're done, we'll have to go back to our account and then refresh it. As you can see, the professional dashboard feature disappeared. So that's how easy you can switch your Instagram account to personal account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!